Right, so I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your factory Nissan TD42 fan hub. Fan hub here, I've already separated it. That's what it looks like inside. Never been opened before. A bit of a pain to separate. As you can see, there's not much oil in there from factory. And this is what we're putting in it. Toyota, I know, but yeah. Silicon oil. Part number there, let's pause it. And you want two of these. I paid stuff all off eBay, like $12 each off eBay. Right, so clean rag, dab inside here, clean all the Nissan oil out. Seal looks pretty good. Right, let me do that. Right, so I got most of the old fluid out. It's not too critical to obviously get it all completely dry. Now the center part here, that's the reservoir, and there's a little heat sink on the back of it. So when it gets hot enough, the valve opens, lets oil out through into these little veins which cross each other. This here is the rotor which connects to the engine, and the oil gets in between these veins and acts like a lock-up clutch, and that's what kicks your fan in. Now the more oil, the more locked it's going to be, the more air it's going to draw through your radiator. So squeeze these out. That's the first one. Now the second one, get it sort of everywhere. It's going to end up everywhere anyway. Sorry, I keep pausing the video because I was holding my phone. It's a pain in the ass. When it's full, it's going to look something like this. There's oil everywhere. Now with the seal, took it out, gave it a bit of a clean, and what I usually do with O-rings and seals like that is rubber grease, because no one likes a dry O-ring. Helps it seal better as well. Right, and then yeah, sandwich it back on. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna need two hands for this. One thing I forgot to mention is it can go on the right way and the wrong way. You got to get these fins lined up with those fins, and obviously the holes with no threads to the holes with threads, vice versa. I'll put it together and show you. Right, we have it sandwiched together, bolts in to hold it in. See what I mean by the fins lining up. It's good. Want the air to flow through it. And now when you turn this, it'll feel about twice as firm as it did from factory. Put it in, you should notice the difference. Right, this has been my first tutorial vid. If you're watching this, let me know if you like more, if I'm good at doing it. I'm a qualified diesel mechanic by trade, so I'm not just some idiot giving you a bum steer. So yeah, give us a thumbs up if you like it. Cheers, see ya.